Time to go get tires put on. Let's do it. Got the tires. Now let's go home and put them on. Here we go. The tire place did leave some marks I gotta clean off, but not too bad. Just the wheels. I had to do it. Get new tires, might as well. Here's before the new tires and wheels. These tires are from 2015. Dry rotted. Shake like crazy at highway speeds. This one is different than the rest. This is a Firestone fuel fighter. The other three are the big O Euro Tours. These are 215 6016s. And the new ones I got are 225 50 17s. I went on the configurator, and that one was the closest to the size, I believe. First things first, gotta take the hubcaps off. Once those are off, gotta hand loosen these, then I'll jack it up and swap out the wheel. Okay, let's do a little test here and weigh the wheels and see if there's any difference between the aluminum and the steel. The aluminum has a whole another inch to it, and the tires are brand new. These are old, have some wear, and it's 16 inches instead of 17. It's about 43 pounds, the steel wheel. Let's see how much the aluminum wheel weighs. 44. A couple pounds heavier. If I had the money to lower the car, which I would really like to do, and get the Pontiac G6 lowering kit, it'd go like 1.5 inches in the front and 1.3 in the back. So it'd pretty much close up the wheel gap, which would look amazing. I probably would have got a smaller tire, but it looked funky with the smaller tires with this much wheel gap. So I got those. I thought I heard a squeaking sound coming from the brakes. When I was driving, I couldn't figure out where it was coming from. I figured it out. This brake pad thingy is scraping on the rotor. So I'm gonna have to take the caliper off and take a look at it. All I did was take the caliper off, just this piece, and I took these things out and bent some of the little tabs back, and now it shouldn't make any noise once the wheel's on. And don't worry, I put a jack stand under there. Here we have it. I need to drive it so the wheels aren't towed in like that from lifting it up and setting it down, but oh yeah, Looks so much better. Now we just need to put in the center caps. Beauty. Now let's go give it a car wash. I changed my mind on the car wash because it's so bright and hot out there that it's just gonna leave water spots everywhere. So I'll wait till this evening when the sun is about to set, then we'll wash it. Right now, we can go on a test drive. I cleaned off each wheel individually just so I could see them in the sunlight. I'm gonna back out real quick, but I had checked the tire pressure, and it's a good thing I did because they were all set at 40 PSI, and factory rating on the car is 30 for each wheel, and the max PSI on the tire is 49. So I set it at 32 just to see like the ride quality and whatever. And then if it's still like, if the tires aren't touching all the way, we'll put it down to 30. But yeah, had to adjust on that real quick. Now we can get it in the sun, take a look at it, then go on a test drive. Here's this one in the sun. This is that scuff I made with the spray paint can on accident. Lame. Makes the car look so much nicer. They both are in the sun. The new tires and wheels are very nice. Really smooth. Seems like it handles pretty well. Getting almost 23 miles per gallon. Just got out of traffic though, so that doesn't help. Sure is a pretty day out today. 70 degrees. Perfect for a drive with the windows down. I think I might need to add some pressure, maybe set it to 35 pounds in the tires because when you turn it feels a little squishy. But other than that, it's fine. But since these are new tires, there's all sorts of rock stuck in them. We got almost 25 miles per gallon on that run. That's pretty good because I was kind of flooring it a couple times. Well, we were getting around 23 during. Drive back almost got 25. But yeah, that was all city. No highway. All right, now I'm going to retorque all the lug nuts, make sure they're all still at 100 foot-pounds, and call it good. This is after the test drive. Everything looks good. Very nice. Tires. Yeah. They're there. Brakes all nice and shiny. These rear brakes are weird. I don't know if the caliper's like not working properly, but see how it's like dashed? I honestly don't know if it's grabbing all the time. To look into that. Look at this side, the side that I fixed. See if it's any better. It's about the same. But yeah, tires are looking good. This is the bent rim. I didn't feel any vibrations at 70, so that's good. And this side. All looks good to me. I need to clean the window off right there. The tires hit whenever I was taking them home. Looks like up there too. Time to wash the car. Got our bucket full of soap. I gotta get our cleaning utensils. I'm gonna use the hand brush again. This microfiber towel for the bottoms of the doors and stuff. And then I might use some of these on the wheels, or I might just lightly wipe the wheels because they're already clean.